In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple Notion boards to one board, effectively creating a master board that will serve as a hub for all your information. This process is incredibly useful for organizing your Notion workspace, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or areas of focus and want to have a centralized place to view everything at a glance. So let's dive into the steps to create your very own master board. First, you'll want to create your master board. This will be a new database where all your linked databases live, essentially acting as the central hub for your various Notion boards. To do this, simply create a new page in Notion and then select the option to add a database. You can name it something like Masterboard or any title that resonates with its purpose for you. Once you have your Masterboard set up, it's time to bring in other boards you want to connect. The next step involves adding linked databases. To do this, start by typing the / command followed by linked database. This will allow you to link each existing board that you want to include in your Masterboard. You will repeat this action for each board you want to link. Make sure you're selecting the correct databases as you go so that your Masterboard is accurately set up to reflect all the boards you're managing. Now, with your boards linked, the next step is to filter and customize what you see in your Masterboard. You can start by using Notion's powerful filtering options to show only the relevant items from each linked board. This step is vital because you want your masterboard to reflect only the most important and actionable information. You can set these filters based on criteria that make sense for your workflow, such as date, tags, or any other property that you use to categorize your tasks and projects. Additionally, you can take advantage of different views that Notion provides to structure your masterboard in a way that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer a table, calendar, gallery, or list view, customizing how your information is displayed will make it much easier to navigate and maintain. This flexibility is one of the key strengths of using Notion, and having a masterboard that's truly tailored to your needs is crucial in maximizing your productivity. And that's it. By following these steps, you've effectively created a centralized hub where all of your information can be easily accessed and organized. This not only helps in staying efficient, but also ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Managing multiple boards doesn't have to be overwhelming, as consolidating them into a masterboard simplifies everything and gives you clarity over your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your Notion workspace.